When we tax basic necessities like bottled water more than we tax a sugary soda, we aren't just making a policy error, we are creating a health crisis. Welcome back to our Tax for Health breakdown. Hi, I'm Ogweno Stephen, a global health practitioner, and today we break down the World Health Organization's report on the use of Sugar-Sweetened Beverage Taxes 2025. While 116 countries now tax at least one type of sugary drink, the World Health Organization warns that these taxes are often too weak to change behavior. Currently, the tax burden on a standard soda is only 6.8% of the retail price. This is alarming. The report highlights a major flaw. Less than a quarter of the countries tax based on sugar content. Instead of encouraging companies to reformulate their recipes, most taxes are flat, missing the opportunity to drive consumers towards healthier options. In Africa, where sugary drinks are rapidly replacing traditional diets, this is a disaster for our children. We are seeing a surge in childhood obesity, type 2 diabetes because of liquid sugar, which is cheaper and ubiquitous. The World Health Organization recommends a shift to a two-tiered based tax system on the grams of sugar and, crucially, making sure health alternatives like water remain tax-free and affordable. We must stop subsidizing a future of chronic diseases. Hi again, I'm Ogweno Stephen. The science is out and it's clear, the reports are out, and the mandate is simple. It's time to prioritize people over profit. Let's make health an everyday reality. Thank you and see you in the last one.